Hey guys, are you looking hot air soldering station? In this video I will show you top 5 best hot air soldering station to buy right now. I made this list based on my personal opinion and our research, and I have a list of them based on their quality, durability, price, and more. To find out more information about these products you can check out the links down in the description. Also make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest technology video. Okay, so let's get started with a video. Number 5. Brand name, NEWACALOX, model number, 882D. This 2-in-1 rework station combines a soldering station with a hot air rework station in a super compact body. Comes with individual LED displays, power switches, temperature control buttons, and air volume adjustment. The station can monitor and correct the actual temperatures at high speed with fast temperature compensation. Various parts of the machine have fail detecting and auto shut-off functions. Overheat sensor, short circuit, open circuit, overload failure have automatic protection. You can put the wrench on the 3 bayonets of the nozzle after you finish use, without worrying about being scalded. This unit's applicable for heat shrink, drying, paint removal, conformal coating removal, defrosting, preheating, glue soldering, and more. Lightweight design allows you to take it with you and place it anywhere. Powered by high-quality ceramic heating element to provide consistent heating performance, and great reliability. Provides better ergonomics than traditional soldering iron. Built with patented cylindrical ceramic heating element design, providing superior temperature control and safety as compared to traditional coiled heating element. Number 4. Brand name, YIHUA, model number, 8786DI. This station combines soldering station and hot air rework station for versatile uses when it provides dual display system and dual power switch and other advanced software functions. This hot air rework station features a PID programmable temperature control system and real-time temperature tracking of each component, as well as an automatic temperature correction with rapid speed compensation and minimum tolerance. It comes equipped with a hot air gun and soldering iron. The anti-static design prevents static or electricity leakage. This is an upgraded and exclusive safety design. Should the hot air gun stop putting out air unusually during use, the program will automatically set an alarm and cut off the power to the heating element to ensure safety. The 8786DI is specifically designed for operations on smaller devices such as mobile phones, remotes, and other devices similar in size. The station is equipped with a 40-watt soldering iron and a high-performance hot air gun for you to carry out precision works on SMD, BGA, PLCC, SOIC, chip and QFP components. The ceramic heating element works exclusively with the 8786DI micro soldering iron. The heating element allows for efficient internal heating and temperature stabilization commands to keep your iron's temperature steady. The soldering iron automatically goes to sleep if it is left in a still condition for 10 minutes, and the temperature will decrease to 200 degrees Celsius. This prevents the iron tip from oxidizing and other damage, as well as eliminates the need for a heat waiting period. Number 3. Brand name, Bakon, model number, BK880. This extremely quiet running station is ideally designed for professionals with a very stylish 2.9-inch large LCD digital display for you to access precise temperature data details. It has adjustable temperature values, as well as the use of password shutdown, which strictly controls every operation so that the temperature cannot be changed due to storage. Built-in 550-watt copper core transformer, large power, high efficiency. Professional rework station for removing IC parts such as QFP, SOP, PLCC, SOJ. Large LED display with beautiful interface, with 3 shortcut keys for temperature and air volume fast adjustment. Auto protection for heating materials, which adopts pulse heating for better protection to heating elements, handle and air nozzles to prolong life. Built-in temperature sensor provides stable temperature output. Memory saves for temperature and airflow volume. Large LCD display, compact, lightweight. Number 2. Brand name, Silverflow, model number, 882D, this 2-in-1 rework station combines a soldering station with a hot air rework station in a super compact body. Comes with individual LED displays, power switches, temperature control buttons, and air volume adjustment. The LCD display shows the working temperature in real time, and the temperature can be switched quickly through a simple button. You can choose between Fahrenheit and Celsius to meet different usage habits. The station can monitor and correct the actual temperatures at high speed with fast temperature compensation. Various parts of the machine have fail detecting and auto shut-off functions. Overheat sensor, short circuit, open circuit, overload failure have automatic protection. Built with patented cylindrical ceramic heating element design, providing superior temperature control and safety as compared to traditional coiled heating element. Number 1. Brand name, YIHUA, model number, 995D+. This unit now features a large LCD screen and you can easily change the LCD digital readouts back and forth, centigrade to Fahrenheit, for the soldering iron and hot air temperatures with the push of a button. This machine is added with the cooling function that can facilitate users in rapidly cooling, dismounting, and cleaning the equipment. This unit features temperature control technology which the program will cycle every 20 milliseconds to detect the actual temperature of the soldering iron's heating element, quickly correct it with a rapid return to the correct set temperature. You can use this station for soldering and desoldering and rework applications including but not limited to SMD and through-hole works.